I participate in many singing contests, but this one is very special because very international. Where you from? Well, Turkey. I never participate in a singing contest. We have a Turkey contestant. Yeah, give him a big hand.
All of you actually have delivered a very captivating performance, I would say, that helped the audience throughout the night. Anyway, I believe today's talent show showed that all CUHK students have got very diverse talents and demonstrate a very rich cultural diversity as well. So we have contestants dressing in Korean, Japanese song, etc. So the performance showcased a wide range of skills and cultural expression, highlighting the unique backgrounds of talents of our CUHK students. I'm very proud of them actually. So this diversity not only enriches the university experience, which is very important, and actually you help us to foster a more inclusive and vibrant community.
Tonight's event is the most looking forward event that I would like to attend. I hope you enjoyed it. I personally enjoyed it very much. And I also want you can make friends with others. You know, if you're coming from China, I want you to make friends with, from Turkey, the students from Turkey, from Japan. And I also appreciate a lot that our own students from Hong Kong also learn foreign, culture, like Korean culture, and then also joining Japanese students to sing.
The champion of CUHK's Got Talent comes to, congratulations to K4!